Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
How was your yesterday?
Fine.
Yeah?
Tiring. I don't know. I was pooped.
Yes, you were. You didn't want to do anything yesterday.
Nope. Just sit on the couch and watch a movie.
Not even go fix your bike with me.
Nope.
Nope.
We'll do it Saturday or something.
Yeah?
But you had fun yesterday, huh?
Sure.
As evidence of that.
Bike. Yep. That's my bike so far.
You like this skinny little seat? You chose that out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yep. That's it so far. Picked out some parts. Gotta do a lot more though. Put it together.
Look on this tag.
Yep.
Still needs to pay. David Dunn.
Cool.
Stealing bikes.
Mm-hmm. Well, say something bikesy.
Bikesy. The wheels on your bike go round and round.
What? Okay.
Just the one wheel, actually.
Mm-hmm.
You only have one.
Yeah.
So. Cool.
Okay.
Well, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.